Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm just gonna be opening up my hair dryer that I just got. I'm gonna see how it operates. I'm gonna give my honest opinion on it, and that's just what it is. Let's get right into this video. So first things first, if you're wondering why I got a bonnet on, it's because I just did a twist out and it didn't even fully dry. When I air dry, I usually air dry my hair for 2 days, but I'm pressed for time. So I said, you know what? This is the perfect time to open my hair dryer. No, nobody sponsored me for this. This is just something that I wanted to buy, curious about it, and always wanted to buy a hair dryer. And I was like, let me just get this one and see what it do. My twist out did not fully dry, so I was like, let me open this up and then record a video for y'all so we can just all kind of see what this hair dryer is about. Let's get to it, y'all. Okay, child, I should have rethought this setup because yeah, okay, all right, let me show y'all how it looks in the box. Hold on. So this is how she's coming packaged. Okay, we're just gonna unwrap her, okay, like it's Christmas. So she's unboxed. This is what she's giving. Okay, it's called Red by Kiss 1875. Okay, it has like a little latch here. We're just gonna let me see, what are we doing? Oh, okay, you just kind of oh wow, okay, come on, like an accordion. Oh, and she just snaps. Oh, that was easy. That was real easy. Now I just gotta prop her a little bit on something so my head can fit under. I remember on Amazon the review saying it doesn't like adjust, I guess, height wise. And some of the reviews, they were like, they like the dryer, but they kind of don't like that it doesn't adjust. So I just kind of got something that was inexpensive just to do something, you know, just to test out a hooded dryer. If I want to invest in one down the line, I'll do so, but for now we're gonna keep it budget friendly. Okay, it has this little nozzle here. It has high, medium, low, speed, cold, and off. You can obviously adjust the temperature to your liking. Obviously a nice wide hooded dryer. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's extremely easy to open up, and from what I can see, it's just as easy to collapse as well. There's like this gray latch here. There's a gray latch here, and it has 2 arrows pointing down. These are the arrows. I don't know if can y'all see the arrows. Yeah, so these are the 2 arrows here pointing down, and you just go like this, boom boom, and collapse her, and boom pow, she's she's done. Okay, but I'm gonna use her, so I'm gonna put her back up. So here we're gonna flip her around, and then the cord, you know, here just 1 cord, and here's the, I guess this is where like maybe some of the air, maybe cool air probably comes out of here. I don't really know, but yeah, we don't know, but it's some vents. It's some vents here. Okay, only vents I'm worried about is the ones up there to dry my hair. So I'm gonna unwrap this and plug her in, and we gonna dry this twist out so I can unravel her for y'all. Okay, so I found something to prop it a little bit higher, just like a little box. Yeah, because it was just too low. I'm like, if I'm in a chair, and I see what the reviews are talking about, like you need, if you want to sit in a chair or something, like you need something to kind of prop it up a little bit. But yeah, if it was adjustable, that's literally like the only feature that it would be missing, and it would be perfect. But we don't know yet. Let me test out the drying levels and stuff like that. So let me take off the bonnet. Okay, she's somewhat dry, but not dry enough for me to take her down. Y'all know what I mean. You got the twist outs, and your styles got to be completely dry in order to unravel, or else you're gonna be mad, and I ain't trying to be mad. So we about to test this out for the one time.
A few moments later.
Y'all, I'm hot. Woo-wee. I want to say I was under for about, I didn't set a timer, I'm just gauging, maybe 15 minutes, because like I said, it wasn't completely dry, but now I feel like it is. So we're gonna take out my twist out and see what it's giving. Now that my bobby pins are out, I'm just going to use Cantu's flaxseed oil. I literally just use oil for the most part to take my hairstyles out, just to kind of reduce some of that frizz and add a little bit of taste to shine. You feel what I'm saying? So this is the final look of my twist out. So this literally did the trick. Like, it literally finished drying my twist out to the magnitude that I needed it to be dried. I mean, as you can see, look at her. Okay, period. Okay, let's get into it one time. So y'all, that pretty much concludes this video on my review and honest opinion of my new hooded hair dryer. I did get it on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. And if you do end up getting it, let me know what your thoughts are. So with that being said, I hope you made it to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, you know, subscribe, do all that good stuff for your girl, and tune into my next Vlogtober video. And until next time, peace.